Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family today. In this video, we are going to be doing something sweet, something delicious. What screams I love you better than homemade edible treats? I don't know anything else. I'm coming your way with this Christmas series wherein I show you how you can package edible treats really nice for your loved ones. So come along and let's get started. For this caramel, we need some sugar. We also need some heavy cream, which you may also know as whipping cream. And if you live where I am, this is the whipping cream I'm using, but anything or any cream with a 35% of fat should be fine. We also need some butter and just regular plain water. And these are all the ingredients, and I'll also list them down below. For this caramel, it's best to use a heavy bottom pot, and into it you are going to add your sugar, and you want to level it with your hand and then pour over your water and allow it to sit until all the sugar is moistened. On medium-high heat, we are going to cook the sugar until it is fully dissolved and changes color. And this happens really quick. Well, it takes time to get to this dark amber color, but when it gets there, it burns really quick, so you want to stay close. You don't want to touch it, don't stir it, don't do anything to it, because sugar crystallizes when you stir it. Once the sugar reaches this dark amber color, you want to add your cream and stir vigorously. And it works best if your cream is at room temperature. If your cream is very cold, it can bubble up and bubble over. And caramel is very hot, so you always want to be extra careful when you are doing this. At first, it may look like it's not coming together, but keep whisking and everything is going to be very silky and smooth. Now add your butter and whisk that in as well, and then turn off your heat as soon as all the butter is incorporated. As soon as the butter is incorporated, our caramel is ready. You want to turn down the heat or maybe add a teaspoon of vanilla extract if you prefer. Next, I pour it into a jug and allow it to cool down slightly, and I'm going to transfer it into some cute little jars that I got. Because the caramel is still very hot at this stage, it may look a bit runny, but it is going to thicken whilst it cools down completely. So don't worry about that. These cute jars are so nice to give as a gift, and because I want to give this to my loved ones this Christmas, I went all the way to make it a little bit special. So I hope that this inspires you to make this delicious caramel for your family and friends this Christmas as well. You can use this in your coffee, in your cakes, on your bread. Wow, to butter bread bipa na tea bread ne hwe kakra gu mfimfini. Aja wala sha. But on a more serious note, guys, this year has been a very rough year for everybody around the world. So be good to yourself and be good to your family and friends, and celebrate the fact that you are still alive and here to enjoy this Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.